All right, and then again, this is number 12, the last question here. There was actually a mix-up on what the answer was, so we're actually going to give you credit for this. If you put the answer there would have been C, but I think we had A down as the answer choice. So if you made like a 93 or around that area on the quiz, you actually got a 100 if you missed number 12, just based on just a clerical error on the teacher's part. So what we're doing here is we have the explicit formula, and we're going to change it to the recursive formula. So with that, again, the same idea we did for number 11, you need to know a couple things. You need to know A1, and then you have to know your formula, A sub n, and then there's going to be a n minus 1. That's your previous term, the a n minus 1. So we have to know a couple things here. First off, what is our first term? What is the first term in our sequence? And that's always going to be that first number right there. It doesn't have the n minus 1 as the exponent, so that 5 is our first term. So you should put 5 down for your first term. Now, what is it going up or down by? 1/4. Now, is this plus 1/4 or times 1/4? And then we can see here that is times 1/4. So when we write it down here in our recursive formula, we have to put 1/4 times a sub n minus 1. It's not plus, it's not minus, it is multiplication. So there was only, I think there were two different options. There was that answer, and then there was also an a n minus 1 plus 1/4. But notice again, this is not an arithmetic sequence because this is multiplying, and then you also have the n minus 1, the exponent. So that would not have been correct. The answer is 1/4 times a sub n minus 1. Again, hopefully you enjoyed this and answered any questions. If you have any more questions on the quiz or want me to do more videos, just let me know.